everyone! In this video I'll show you review with really very cool old refrigerator set. And I bought this refrigerator Formula 1 because I couldn't find a new such a refrigerator because it's really very old. And so let's go to make a review. Firstly, I want to say you that I especially like with silver knobs because they look so pretty, so adorable. I love them so much. And for the other side of our refrigerator set, and here we can see the title which says as SYLVANIAN FAMILIES 1988. Here, apples made in China. It's so cool. And okay, I also want to say you that I especially like with opening and closing doors in this refrigerator set. It's so realistic, as well as the other SYLVANIAN sets. And in our refrigerator we can see a lot of different food, for example the orange organic juice, tomato juice, and then the apple juice. You can also see the cheese in this set, a white bottle probably with milk, and then the yogurts with the different smells. One of them is strawberry one, the second has the smell as cherry, and the third is a peach one. Also, this refrigerator has really very comfy shelves. And well, I hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a like and subscribe on my channel. Bye!